Give me the phone, it's my turn.
No, I'm still watching my video.
You've been using it for an hour.
That's not true.
Mom, tell him to give it to me.
Stop arguing, both of you.
What is the problem again?
He never shares the phone.
Because she always complains.
Share it or I will take it away.
Fine, take it.
Thank you.
Just don't break it.
Relax, I will be careful.
Look outside, the view is beautiful.
The mountains are amazing.
Can I take pictures?
Use my phone.
Thanks, that's better.
Finally, peace in the bus.
We finally arrived.
The house looks beautiful.
I want the room with the balcony.
No, I saw it first.
But it's bigger.
That's why I want it.
Stop fighting.
We will decide together.
I need space for my things.
I need space too.
The daughter takes the balcony room.
That's unfair.
You will get the room with the TV.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I accept.
Perfect.
Problem solved again.
Let's unpack our bags.
Then we go for dinner.